In 1963, 15 men pulled off Britain's most notorious train robbery with nothing but fake signals and perfect timing. The Royal Mail train carried £2.6 million in used banknotes from Scotland to London every single night. The gang spent months studying the route. They found the perfect spot, a remote bridge in the countryside. On August 8th, they set up fake railway signals to stop the train. When the driver got out to investigate, they struck. 15 minutes. That's all it took to violently subdue the crew and steal the money. But here's where it gets bizarre. The thieves escaped to a rented farmhouse and played Monopoly with the stolen cash while waiting for things to cool down. That board game became their downfall. Police found their fingerprints all over the Monopoly set and arrested most of the gang within months, except for Ronald Biggs. He escaped from prison and lived as a fugitive in Brazil for 36 years. Only a fraction of the money was ever recovered. Biggs became a folk hero before finally returning to face justice in 2001.